kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. English. Today, we're going to discuss about the verbs in the perfect tenses. The present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and the future perfect tense. In this lesson, you will be able to learn and understand how and when to use the perfect tenses. Are you ready? Let's read the conversation. Take note of the highlighted words. Teacher Beth has wrapped the prizes for our party. Some boys had seen the prizes before they were announced. We shall have asked the boys about it by party time. When the word perfect is used to refer to the tense of the verb, it indicates a completed action. The verbs wrap, seen, and us, as used in the sentences, were used to make perfect or to complete. The given sentences are examples of sentences that use the perfect tenses. What are the perfect tenses of the verb? These are the verbs in the perfect tenses. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. Present perfect tense. We use the present perfect tense to talk about an action that was completed at an specified or indefinite time in the past. Examples: we have met before. She has visited Boracay several times. The present perfect tense refers to an action began in the past and continued to the present time. Examples: she has lived in Makati since 2020. I have been in Japan for 2 weeks. This tense is formed by has or have plus the past participle form of the verb. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to show action that was completed before another action took place at some definite time in the past. Examples: I had studied my lesson before you arrived. By the time I returned home, he had already left. This tense is formed by had plus past participle for the first action and simple past form for the second action. Example: the bus had left before I reached the station. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to show action that will be completed before some definite time in the future. Examples: I shall have studied my lesson by dinner time. The plane will have taken off by 2 hours. This tense is formed by will have or shall have plus past participle of the verb. Let's have a recap. Present perfect tense. It is used to show action that was completed at an specified or indefinite time in the past. It is formed as has or have plus past participle form of the verb. Past perfect tense. It is used to show action that was completed before another action took place at some definite time in the past. It is formed as had plus past participle form of the verb. Future perfect tense. It is used to show action that will be completed before some definite time in the future. It is formed as will have or shall have plus past participle form of the verb. Match the verb phrase in the sentence. Choose if the verb tense is present perfect, past perfect, or future perfect. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Are you ready? Lay will have studied in London in college. Lay will have studied in London in college. The verb phrase is will have studied and it is in the future perfect tense. My dog Shasha has eaten chicken every day for a month. My dog Shasha has eaten chicken every day for a month. The verb phrase is has eaten and it is in the present perfect tense. The students had studied hard, so they earned a hot dog party. The students had studied hard, so they earned a hot dog party. The verb phrase is had studied and it is in the past perfect tense. We had gone to the shop to buy some flowers for my mom. We had gone to the shop to buy some flowers for my mom. The verb phrase is had gone and it is in the past perfect tense. The family will have traveled to 10 different provinces. The family will have traveled to 10 different provinces. The verb phrase is will have traveled and it is in the future perfect tense. Complete the sentence with the correct perfect tense of the verb. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The children blank breakfast before they boarded the bus for the field trip. The children had eaten breakfast before they boarded the bus for the field trip. My parents blanked the presents before my birthday. My parents will have wrapped the presents before my birthday. They blanked this place previously. They have visited this place previously. The mayor blank that we can look around his office anytime we want. The mayor has said that we can look around his office anytime we want.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.